Today we learn how to plot the logarithmic graph. So let's start with the some coding. So firstly, you do just your clause clear and close all, and just set the limit of x. That would be starting from 0 to some values that I will take just 10, and just write log. So let's say it is log only. So it is the base would be e, and you want to plot the log. The base would be 10. Then you just write the 10 only. So I'm just plotting exponential wave. So it is just log, the log values only. Okay. Okay. Then you just do the figures, general things that we have learned. Figures. Then plot it. Just write plot the x comma y. Okay. And just add some colors. So just blue and just some values for squaring or circle, and just taking the line width is 2 only. Okay. And just x level, the x levels is just x the values. And for the y's level, so I would say it is log x, or maybe okay, so I would write it the magnitude, I guess. So okay, just write the magnitude because we will plot one or more graphs in one plane, in one graph only. So that's why we have written magnitude. And what would be the name of that plot? So it is title. So just I have written. Okay, let's see first. So the graph is showing like that. Just see. Okay. So the next thing is just write the title. So which kinds of graph is this? Written title. Title is log function. I would write log function. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, just see the log function is there. Okay. The graph look like this. Okay, so let's go for the log that is called the base 10, and we will plot in the single graph, and we will show how these two graph look like. You you just write base 10. Okay. The next thing is just plot it x comma y1, and then I would add a red color. So I'll just write R, you know, and just line width would be just I've just taken only two the earlier, so that's why it is 2s here also. And the next thing is we need to understand the which graph is for which one. So that's why we need to write some the name of these graphs. So the first graph is log base e. The second one is log x base 10. So I write accordingly. I have written accordingly. And just hold off and just see the results of the program. Okay, I can see here the blue one is for log, and the both are the logs, but the difference is the base. The first one is base is e, and the second one base is 10. The simple thing. So we know that the log Base 3 is called the ln, and the base 10 is called a log. So that's why I would say only ln or log only. So we can understand by these things. So which one is log and which one of ln? Okay. So now let's try to the next one. It is exponential, because we need to see how the exponential curve will look like, because we can calculate the exponential terms by calculating the ln term. So just drawing the graph of exponential, which is minus e. We are not giving a x, because if we are giving, the range would be very high, because our range is 0 to 10. So that's why it will not come in the same graph. So that's why we are just plotting the minus exponential graph. You know, okay, just plot it. I will just plot it x comma y2, and same it is, I would say, green, because we have already used red or blue, red and blue, and the next one is a green. So the line width would be the same thing as 2. Okay. Okay, so we need to we will need to add some legends. Function is the exponential, so it will go down, and just I would write exponential term. For understanding the graph, exponential minus x, okay, and then hold off, because the program is done. So it is very basics program that I am explaining here. See the very basics. So I have started from basic things. So I will go the next level by starting for the basic to the top. So I'm just written only just the basic programming only, for basic understanding to the others. Okay, you just see. Okay, there's a dotted. It means you have written. Oh, so we have to give some tests that it is not connected. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here is missing term is test before the green. Okay, so now it will connect. Yeah, it's connected. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I have designed, or you can say I have plot three graphs: ln x, log x, and exponential of minus x, and all three graphs in one plot. So we can remove a grid. We can add the grid by our requirements. You can remove the legend as well. So there's so many functions to do something. So, so this is the basic program, the ln, log x, and exponential. Okay, today's done, I guess. Okay, guys. Okay, today's done. Bye bye. Bye bye.